Keep your gyms alive, for all things are possible for those who believe. My name is Martina Fausto Diaz, 20, ang gandang Pilipina ng Muntinlupa City!
Smile more than you cry, give more than you take, and love more than you hate. Faye Jesus de la Peña, 18, ang gandang Pilipina ng Matungaw, Bulacan, Bulacan.
Step by step, face by face, only patience can win the race. Heidi Santos, 18, ang gandang Pilipina ng Makati City!
Winners never quit, and quitters never win. Dayan de la Cruz, 19, ang gandang Pilipina ng Hagonoy, Bulacan.
Try until you succeed. My name is Elaine Mercado Coles, 21, ang gandang Pilipina ng Nueva Ecija.
Challenge is not a way to give up. I'm Will Maywu, 18, gandang Pilipina ng Bagong Silang, Caloocan City.
Keep calm. You may be weak, but God is strong. I am Nikisa Chavez, 17, ang gandang Pilipina from Las Piñas City. Everybody's beautiful except in the eyes of the insecure. My name is Alex Ken, 19 years of existence, ang gandang Pilipina ng Binanza, Manila.
Ang buhay ay parang isang tanghalan. Lahat tayo ay may papel na ginagampanan. Christine Isabel Buenvenida, 20, ang gandang Filipina ng Quezon City.
A thing of beauty is a joy forever. Ako po si Lavrat Singh, 19, may dugo man akong banyaga, ngunit pinagmamalaki ko po ng buong puso na ako ang gandang Pilipina ng bayan ng Bulacan.
If you compare yourself with someone, compare yourself with God. I'm Kimberlyn Umali, 20, ang gandang Filipina ng Balanga, Bataan.
Now twerk it like a belly dancer.